1 square body S10, fucking 454 big block. I got board 30 over, stock S10 radiator, no fan shroud because I'm a lazy piece of shit. eBay HEI, just a cheap Intellitronix 750 carb I picked up for $100. Random things built here and there, cheap brackets, random ghetto rigging. Certain things aren't hooked up yet. Blinker wires is what that is. Finally got the windshield installed, back glass installed. Interior is about 95% complete. I have some cheap ass Soundstorm Laboratories or something equalizer set up to go to a tablet, which then goes to the amp and goes to 2 door speakers and 2 random 6x or 2x10s or 9s or something. Some O'Reilly's deal of the day seats that I picked up thanks to my good friend Brendan, who is a piece of shit. Got a custom dash, pretty much just some MDF board cut to fit onto metal angle iron I had shaped into there with Intellitronix cluster. Got fuel gauge, tack, speedo, all this hooked up, running a manual transmission, an NV4500 because I'm poor and can't afford a T56. Random kill switch up here in the back, which is also ghetto rigged into there, which shuts off all my gauges and such. Amazon super fancy shift thing that I had to bypass because it was acting as a check valve, and I'm probably just going to replace that with the line lock system for a drag racing car because I'm lazy. Random fuel or battery box here on the back. Still need to weld up the seams on this so that it holds, but that's pretty much where it's going. Got to cut this down because I wasn't 100% sure. Cheap eBay 15 or 20 gallon fuel cell. The neck was plastic, so I had to modify it to fit that on there. Should have made this round, but again, I'm lazy, and that's what came up with. Changed the truck bed 15 different times, and this is the design I ended up leaving it with. Eventually I will probably buy another one and tub it the right way so it doesn't look like dog shit. I have a buddy that's fixing to give me a roll pan so I can finish the back up. Tailgate's in there, haven't even sanded or painted it. Cheap eBay tail lights, back glass. This is all refurbished. I probably only got less than $5,000 in the whole truck. I got 2 plates I added in here on the back that you can see for my 4-point harness that I have. Ford 8.8, Edelbrock blue fuel pump, and yeah. Also had to install the...
that'd be Holley blue.
Holley blue, my bad. I had to install the brake line regulator back there as well and bring the pressure down because I had way too much and it was just locking my brakes up as soon as I pushed them, so had to put that in there. Stock S10 shocks, and I'm guessing we're about to take her for a cruise. We'll be riding on some random set of rims that are fucked up beyond belief, non-balanced, and not safe to drive on, so we will only be playing around in back roads. Shut this off while this lady with the baby goes by. I'm gonna shut this off while this baby goes by. Yeah. budget build, so I didn't have the luxury of being able to rev over, I don't know, $5 grand. I pretty much built the truck to 4,800 RPMs.